hundreds of thousands of dollars to get her into the college.
I don't know how much of school I'm going to attend, but I'm going to go in and talk to my deans and everyone and hope that I can try and balance it all. But I do want the experience of like game days and partying. I don't really care about school, as you guys all know.
Yeah, you can do that at home, love. You don't really need to spend hundreds of thousands. Now, of course, we can't really just to go to a party. Now, of course, we can't really go on without mentioning events across the Irish Sea. And I suppose people are looking for clues. Now, there are kind of sly comments being made about that. Is it changing the political tone here? No. And of course, if you want to find out our feelings changing in Ireland, you of course have to look at adverts. And the latest advert for Brady Family Ham, which has always been a kind of a patriotic themed advert, and the music they've chosen is an old Wolftown's song called Comanche Black and Tans.
Oh, Brady Family Ham, well, it's your only man. Sure, for 3 full days and there's no added water. Sure, it's cut from one poor joint, unlike others, that's the point. It tastes just like the ham made by your mother. Come on to other hams, come and face me hand to hand. Show them how they're made of golden added water. And tell them how Brady Family Ham chased you away from the green and lovely fields of Kildare.
A more modern uptake on all of it. That it might work.
Well, this is the Control of Economic Activity Occupied Territories Bill 2018, which started life as a private member's bill in the Seanad, initiated there by my colleague Senator Francis Black, but it passed the Seanad all stages with support from all of us in opposition. The government didn't support it, however, and it's now before the Dáil. The Dáil has already passed it at second stage, again without government support. What the bill proposes to do is to make it a criminal offence for a person in Ireland to import or sell goods or services which have originated in an occupied territory. So that means a territory that is illegally occupied in international law by another country. And the example that's been given and which the